K-Ring works in the same way as a contactless payment card, but it must be used in the right way to successfully make a payment on a contactless card terminal. To begin, make the transmission ready gesture by closing your hand into a fist. This part of your hand should then be placed flat against the active part of the terminal, which is usually indicated by the contactless acceptance mark. Make sure you don't move your hand away from the terminal until you see the green light or hear the beep, denoting a successful transaction. Some terminals are less sensitive than others, so you may have to move your hand around until you find the most receptive point on its surface. If a terminal has a particularly low sensitivity and doesn't detect your K-Ring easily, simply remove it and hold it flat against the surface. The same gesture can be used on the Oyster card reader to gain access to London's tube and buses.